Hello everyone. First of all, I want to apologize for the time since my last video. Today we are going to improve the existing product list app by adding a search function allowing users to easily filter products. Let me quickly show you what we will be creating. As you can see, when I type something into this search bar, such as smart, the product list will automatically update to show only articles that match what I typed. It's a simple yet powerful feature that makes finding specific products much easier. The app doesn't have this feature yet, so let's get started and walk through the process of adding it together, step by step. Alright, let's start by reviewing our initial setup. We have a simple React app that displays a list of products. We're using the useState hook to manage the product state, and right now, it's set to a list of product data that we've imported. At this point, the app simply lists all the products, but there's no way to filter or search through them. So let's go ahead and add that functionality next. The first thing we need to do is add a search input field so users can type in a query. We'll set up a new piece of state to manage the search query. Then add an input field to our JSX and connect it to the state so it updates whenever the user types something. Next, we need to filter our product list based on what the user types into the search bar. We'll use the filter method to create a filtered array of products that match the search query. Instead of rendering the original list of products, we'll render this filtered list, which will update dynamically based on the search. Now that we've implemented the search, let's test it out. When you type something into the search box, the product list should automatically update to show only the products that match your search term. And that's it. We've successfully added a search functionality to our React app. Now, users can filter through products quickly and easily. This is a great feature for any app that needs to manage large lists of items. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.